Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to MotorRevs 27. And today, we're checking out the brand new 2027 KTM 450XCF, a machine that honestly feels more like a factory race bike than something you can just buy from a dealership. So, what's actually new for 2027? Let's get into it. First up, KTM continues refining the XCF platform with a stronger focus on high-speed cross-country racing. The bike still runs the aggressive 449 cubic centimeters SOHC engine, but now the power delivery feels even more controlled and race-focused. And that's important, because this bike isn't just about raw horsepower anymore. It's about usable speed, rider confidence, and consistency over long races. One of the biggest highlights is the electronics package. Get Quickshifter, launch control, traction control, and dual engine maps. That Quickshifter is a huge deal on an off-road bike like this. It allows clutchless upshifts while charging through rough terrain, helping riders maintain momentum without upsetting the chassis. And honestly, that's factory bike stuff. Another major upgrade is the chassis behavior. KTM focused heavily on mass centralization and anti-squat characteristics, which basically means the bike feels more stable under acceleration while staying light and agile in corners. At high speed, this thing should feel incredibly planted. Suspension is also a big talking point here. The WP XACT 48mm closed cartridge fork is built for serious racing performance, offering better damping consistency, improved front-end feedback, and less rider fatigue during long off-road sessions. And yes, adjustments are still tool-free, which riders are going to love during race weekends. Visually, the 2027 model keeps that aggressive KTM factory styling, but ergonomics have been refined with slimmer bodywork and improved rider contact points for better control while standing. There's also KTM's connectivity Unit Offroad system, allowing riders to fine-tune settings through the KTM app, something we're starting to see more and more in premium off-road machines. So overall, the 2027 KTM 450XCF isn't a complete redesign, but it is a smarter, sharper, and more race-focused evolution of one of the best cross-country bikes on the market today. And honestly, this thing looks absolutely ready to dominate the trails. What do you guys think about the new 2027 KTM 450XCF? Would you pick this over a Japanese 450 off-road bike? Drop your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.